What's up everybody, Landon here with LMR.com. Today I'll be checking out this factory style replacement rubber hose kit from 50 Resto, designed for the 1986 to 1993 5-liter Fox body Mustangs. A vital component to an engine's cooling system are the radiator hoses. They're designed to transfer the coolant between the different components to ensure that the engine operates at optimal temperature. Like most parts, radiator hoses don't last forever. Well, for you 1986 to 1993 5-liter Fox body Mustang owners, 50 Resto has a pretty good solution. This here is their factory style replacement radiator hose kit that includes all of the needed hoses associated with the Fox cooling system, including new clamps. Each hose is constructed from OE grade EPDM rubber and reinforced with knitted rayon for exceptional longevity and performance. Taking a closer look at a few specifics on these hoses, you'll find that the upper hose has the pre-installed convoluted sleeve to protect the hose from the alternator housing. Also note that the heater supply hose will have a pre-installed flow restrictor. When installing the heater supply hose, verify that it installs onto the heater core barb closest to the center of the car. Now included in the kit will be an upper and lower hose, heater supply and heater return hose, water pump to heater tube hose, bypass hose, and all the clamps to secure each hose. As far as fitment is concerned, this 50 Resto factory style radiator hose kit will fit all 1986 to 1993 5-liter Fox Mustangs. Now when you go to install this hose kit, have a little bit of patience. Remember, you're working with old stuff and you're working in tight areas. You'll first support the car and then drain all of the coolant from the radiator. While you're under the car, use this time to replace the lower hose. Then you can work your way into the engine bay and remove the upper hose. Don't install the new upper hose at this time. Leave it off so you have some room to get to the water pump to heater tube hose and the bypass hose. Go ahead and remove both of those hoses at this time. If needed, trim approximately a ½ inch from the long side of the bypass hose. This will help with installing this particular hose onto the water pump and thermostat housing. Slide some clamps over the bypass hose and then install it onto the water pump first and then the thermostat housing. Orientate the clamps in a way that you can easily tighten them. Install the water pump to heater tube hose and secure the clamps. Now you can go ahead and install the upper hose. Removing the heater hoses is without a doubt the biggest headache during this job. Prepare yourself for some coolant to run out and then remove each hose. Install the supply hose with clamps onto the heater core barb closest to the center of the car. Make note of the flow restrictor and the orientation arrow on the hose. This hose connects to the lower fitting on the heater tube. Install the heater return hose with clamps and then go ahead and tighten all the clamps associated with the supply and return hose. Verify that the drain plug is tight before filling the radiator. Fill the radiator with fresh coolant or reuse the coolant you had in the car if it was recently replaced. Fill the radiator with the same amount that was removed and compensate for any that may have ran out. Reinstall the cap, start the car to check for leaks, and then you're all finished. For the most part, installing radiator hoses into a Fox Mustang is a pretty straightforward process, but like any install, it has its struggles. Other than that, this factory style radiator hose kit from 50 Resto is a simple kit that addresses all of the hoses pertaining to the Fox cooling system and will give you a solid peace of mind for years to come. Now for more information and product pricing on this kit, be sure and reference the product page. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.